Our story begins in a small town where a group of friends share big dreams. They want to reach for the stars and promise to do it together. Alex points at a particular bright star in the sky and says, "You see that star, guys? That one right there. It's our ticket to a grand adventure." Sarah asks, "Adventure? What are you talking about, Alex?" Michael chimes in, "Yeah, are we going to space or something?" Alex smiles, his eyes shining with excitement. "Well, not exactly space, but we're going to make our dreams come true. We've all talked about it. We want to do something big with our lives, right?" Emily nods enthusiastically. "Absolutely. I've always dreamed of traveling, exploring new places, and meeting interesting people." Sarah adds, "And I want to make a real difference in the world. Leave my mark." Michael agrees. "Count me in too. Let's chase our dreams together." Alex pulls out a notebook and starts jotting down ideas. "Okay, so let's make a pact. We'll support each other no matter what. We'll work hard and never give up." Emily suggests, "And we'll always remember this moment, under the starry sky where our journey began." They all put their hands together, forming a tight circle, and Alex says, "Friends forever?" In unison, they all respond, "Friends forever." As they make their pact, the stars seem to shine even brighter, symbolizing the beginning of their shared dreams and adventures. Years passed, but the friends never forgot their pact. They worked hard, saved money, and supported each other through thick and thin. Sarah reminisces, "Remember when we promised to change the world?" Michael adds, "Yeah, and I think it's time we start." Emily pulls out a world map. "Look, I've been planning. There are so many places we can go, so many people we can help." Alex holds a stack of travel brochures. "I've been collecting these. Let's choose our first destination." They huddle around the map and brochures, the campfire flickering in the background. Sarah says, "I can't believe it's finally happening. Our dreams are becoming a reality." The day had come. They stood at the airport, ready to board a plane to their first destination. The adventure was about to begin. Emily, with tears in her eyes, says, "I can't believe we're doing this." Michael nods. "It's surreal, but we've worked hard for this." Alex grins. "Remember, this is just the beginning. We'll see the world together." They share a group hug, filled with excitement and a touch of nervousness as they step onto the plane. Over the years, they traveled to many countries, living out their dreams. They explored the unknown, experienced different cultures, and made lasting friendships. Sarah, speaking to a group of children, says, "Education is the key to a brighter future." Michael, while building houses, says, "Together, we can make a difference." They are seen smiling, laughing, and working side by side with locals, truly making an impact. Time flew by, but their spirits remained unchanged. They returned to the same hillside where they once dreamed together. Emily points to the stars and says, "Look at the stars, just like that first night." Alex gazes up at the sky and reflects, "We've come so far." Michael nods, "And we've helped so many." They sit in silence, taking in the beauty of the starry night. And Sarah adds, "Our dreams were big, but we made them come true." The friends share a moment of gratitude, understanding that they've achieved their dreams by supporting each other and staying true to the pact they made under the starry sky.